Let me save you a few hours. If you're only using Meta AI to create videos, you're probably missing out on some tools that are honestly better for certain jobs. Not because Meta AI is bad, it's just that every AI video generator has its strengths. Some are faster, some give you better motion, and some are simply easier to control. So instead of chasing the perfect AI tool, here's how I think about it. First up, if you care about realistic cinematic videos, take a look at Google's Veo. The clips can look incredibly natural, especially when your prompts are detailed. It's a solid option for commercials, storytelling, and high-end content. Now, if speed matters more than anything, Kling AI is worth checking out. It can generate impressive videos quickly, which is great if you're creating content every day or working on client deadlines. Another one that's been getting a lot of attention is Hailuo AI. What I like about tools in this category is that they're simple enough for beginners but still give you enough control to experiment with different styles. If you're creating videos for social media, ads, or YouTube shorts, that's a big advantage. Then there's Runway. If your workflow includes editing as well as generating videos, Runway can save you from jumping between multiple tools. A lot of creators use it because it combines several AI features in one place. Here's something I wish more people talked about. Don't choose an AI tool because someone on YouTube called it the best. Choose it based on what you're trying to create. If you're making product ads, your needs are different from someone making cinematic short films. If you're a freelancer, reliability and speed might matter more than having 50 extra features you'll never touch. And if you're running an agency, consistency across multiple client projects is probably more important than fancy effects. What I usually recommend is this. Pick 2 or 3 tools. Run the exact same prompt through each one. Then compare the motion, quality, prompt accuracy, render time, and how much editing you have to do afterward. You'll know pretty quickly which one fits your workflow. That's honestly a better test than watching 10 different review videos. AI video tools are changing so fast that today's second best option could become tomorrow's favorite after one update. So stay flexible, keep experimenting, and don't get locked into a single platform. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to replace Meta AI today, which AI video generator would you choose and why? I'm curious to see which tool gets mentioned the most in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.